Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not? You can ride my face until you're dripping calm. Can you lick the tip and throw the dick or not? Can you let me stretch that pussy out or not? I'm not the type to call you back tomorrow, but the way you wrap around me is a problem. Ain't nobody tryna save ya, baby, get that paper. Probably got a lot of other bitches, so you favors. Pussy so good, had to save that shit for later. Took her to the kitchen, fucked her right there on the table. She rapping Somo to the death. I'm tryna make these bitches sweat. I'm tryna keep that pussy wet. I'm tryna fuck her and her friends. Fuck her and her friends. You gon' run it for these hundreds, girl, or nah? Show me, is you really about